Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will learn how to change the numbers. Students, do you know how many numbers are there in grammar? Yes, there are two numbers in grammar. They are number 1 singular and number 2 which is plural. Singular means one and plural means many. If you have one toy, then it is a one toy. And if you have many toys, then it will be said as toys. Now let us have a look on many examples. Look at these pictures. Here, the first picture is of toy and the plural form is toys. Next picture, that is of a dog, and after that we are having many dogs. Next is of a horse. Then the plural of horse is horses. The next is box. Here we are having only one box, but the plural of the box is boxes. Students, you know that nouns can show how many people, places, animals and things are. Nouns यह बताता है कि कितने लोग हैं, कितनी जगहें हैं, कितने एनिमल्स हैं या कितनी थिंग्स हैं. The words toy, dog, horse and box stand for one thing. They are singular nouns. The words toys, dogs, horses and boxes stand for more than one. So, they are plural nouns. Now students, let us understand the definition of singular and plural. Nouns that stand for a single person, place, animal or thing are said to be singular in number. Number 2, nouns that stand for more than one person, place, animal or thing are said to be plural in number. Now, let us understand some of the ways in which singular nouns can be changed to their plural forms. अभी हम सारे रूल्स देखेंगे जिसमें हम सिंगुलर नाउन्स को प्लूरल फॉर्म्स में कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. द फर्स्ट रूल इज बाय एडिंग एस एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड्स. ज़्यादातर वर्ड्स में हम सिर्फ एस लगाते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैट, मैट्स, गर्ल, गर्ल्स, चेयर, चेयर्स, बॉय, boys, table, tables, tail, tails. Now let us understand rule number 2 by adding es at the end of the words ending in o. Students, आपको यह याद रखना है कि जो भी वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके पीछे ओ आता है उसके पीछे हम es लगाते हैं. Now let us take some examples. Buffalo, buffaloes. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Tomato, tomatoes. Mango, mangoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Rule number 3, that is, we will remove y at the end and add ies. For example, baby. Here we will remove y and we will add ies. That will become babies. babies. In the same way, hobby, hobbies, lorry, lorries, copy, copies, story, stories, lady, ladies. Rule number 4, we have to remove F or FE at the end and we will add VES. Let us take some examples. Leaf. So here we are having at the end that is F. So we will write the plural form leaves. Same way, wolf, wolves, thief, thieves, calf, cows, knife, knives, loaf, loaves. Now come to rule number 5. Some words end in F. Form their plural forms simply by adding S at the end. For example, CHIEF is chief and the plural is simply we have to add S, that is chiefs. Chef, chefs. Proof, proofs. Cliff, cliffs. Now come to rule number 6. We have to add ES at the word that ends with S, that is sir, SH, that is sure, double S, that is sir, or CH, that is ch, or X, that is ksha. We will take some examples that are class. So the plural will be classes, church, churches, bench, benches, bush, bushes, box, boxes, watch, watches. Students, some nouns form their plural by adding en at the end. Here the word child is. So the plural form is children. Ox, oxen. Some nouns form their plurals differently. These are irregular plural forms of nouns. Let us have some examples. MAN, man, will become MEN, men. Foot, 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 will become feet. Goose, geese. Woman, woman. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Now students, we will discuss exercise B from page number 27 from your textbook. We have to write the plural forms of the underlined words and also to make other necessary changes. Number 1, the boy is walking the dog. यहाँ पे कहा गया है कि बॉय है जो डॉग को वॉक पर लेके जा रहा है. अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स हैं बॉय एंड डॉग. सो द आंसर इज द बॉयज आर वॉकिंग द डॉग्स. स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट फॉरगेट दैट इज वर्ड इज यूज्ड फॉर सिंगुलर एंड आर इज यूज्ड फॉर प्लूरल. नंबर 2, पुट द टॉय इन द बैग. अपने खिलौने बैग में रखिए. द आंसर इज पुट द टॉयज इन द बैग्स. नंबर 3, द बटरफ्लाई इज फ्लाइंग टू द फ्लावर. बटरफ्लाई फ्लावर्स पर मंडरा रहा है. द आंसर इज द बटरफ्लाइज आर फ्लाइंग टू द फ्लावर्स. नंबर 4, द मैन रैन आफ्टर द बस. आदमी बस के पीछे दौड़ रहा था. आंसर इज द मैन रैन आफ्टर द बसेस. यहाँ पे मैन की स्पेलिंग MEN आएगी इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म. नंबर 5, द लायन चेस्ड अ डियर. लायन ने डियर को चेस किया था. तो आंसर इज द लायंस चेस्ड डियर. Here, a deer is used for singular and we will remove a from this sentence. So the answer will be the lions chased deer. Number 6. The star is twinkling in the sky. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Number 7. The mother is rocking the baby. Mother बेबी को झूला झूला रही है. The answer will be the mothers are rocking the babies. Number 8. An ox eats grass. Here the answer will be oxen eat grass. Number 9. She tied a ribbon in her hair. Answer is she tied ribbons in her hair. Students, the plural of hair will be hair as it is an uncountable noun. Now students, you have to write the answers of 10 to 13 by yourself. Now students, we will discuss exercise C, in which we have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the given nouns. Number 1. Two dash are walking on the pavement. In bracket, we are having the noun man, men. So, what the answer will be? Yes, the answer will be men, men. The plural of man is men. Number 2. A pair of dash are grazing in the field. In bracket, we are having the noun that is ox. तो यहाँ पर ox की जगह पे क्या आएगा? Right, oxen. O-X-E-N, oxen. Number 3. I brush my dash daily. Here the noun tooth is given. हमें tooth का plural form लिखना है. वह आएगा teeth. I brush my teeth daily. Number 4. There is a dash in my class. The answer is there is. Here we will remove a and instead of mouse we will write mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Number 5. He often does not wear his slippers. So, his dash are dirty. The noun is given foot. So, what will be the plural of foot? Yes, it will be feet. Number 6. The pair of dash are crackling in the yard. The noun is goose. So, what will be the plural of goose? It will be geese. G-E-E-S-E, geese. Number 7. The dash is taking singing lessons. The noun that is given to change is child. So, what will be the plural of child? Yes, the answer will be children. Number 8. In autumn, the dash fall from the tree. The noun is given leaf. What will be the plural of leaf? Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Now students, from sentence 9 to 12, you have to do by your own. We will meet soon in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.